Hi, and welcome to LB0 Fox Indian Norwegian Adventures. A lot of you guys have asked me what kind of gear I carry beside the radio and the antenna mast when going portable and going POTA. And I'm just going to go through a couple of bags today and show you what kind of gear I carry as, let's call them accessories, let's call them antennas, batteries, whatever. I'll go through them one and one and we'll take a look. The first thing I carry, and pretty much always carry, is this LiFePO 4 battery, 5 amp hour. Usually the battery I use for almost all of my portable use. Further on, I have a couple of antennas that I carry. This is one of them. And this is the LB6CI end-fed half-wave antenna. Probably my most used antenna, and that's why it's in a pouch by itself. And then we have this big pouch, and this is a big one. This carry, as you can see, 91, 421, and a little bit more actually. So let's open it up. Let's have a look what's inside. Let's start up here on the top. Here I have a radial kit consisting of 8 5-meter soda beams wire, all connected to one power pole connector. And if you have a daughter, a wife, a girlfriend, these little hairbands are lifesavers when packing up. Further on, I have a 1-to-1 common mode choke, lifesaver when using random wire type antennas. And then a short piece of coax for the common mode choke. Then I have this little binding post adapter for using with quarter wave verticals mostly. And this is the only quarter wave vertical I usually carry, a quarter wave on 20. The plan is to make a full kit of quarter waves here. Then we have a 9-to-1 balun from China, from eBay. I've done a couple of videos on this. It works really, really well. And for the random wire antenna, we have 21 meters of soda beams wire. This works perfectly fine in almost any operating conditions. We also have the Magitenna, which is a commercial made Ribikov antenna with a 4-to-1. I have a spare wire winder just in case I should need it. And here I got something really nice. This is the K4OGO Coastal 20, serial number 002. I made a video, actually made 2 videos on this antenna, so you can check those out if you'd like. And that's it for this pouch. And this last pouch here is a guying kit. And you might ask yourself, where's the mast for guying? And those are in the car. I usually carry a 10-meter DX Commander mast and a 6-meter just generic fiberglass mast. Let's do the front pocket here first. Not too much in here. Roll of black electrical tape and a guying ring for the DX Commander mast. The really nice stuff is in the main pocket here. And there's a lot in here. I got a couple of pieces of this this really nice, it's not paracord, but it's close and it's cheap. Nice yellow high visibility rope. Then I carry 2 elastic bungee cords, 3 tent stakes, a little bit more of the high visibility rope, a couple of lengths of black nylon rope, a couple of bungee straps. Nice to have if you want to add some elasticity to the yellow rope here or the black nylon rope. And okay, back to the hairbands again. 2 straps like this. I think it is. Yeah, 2 straps. And that's it for this bag. And finally, I carry a roll of RG58 coax. Also keep some shorter lengths in my radio case, but just in case I should need the longer lengths. So what do you guys think? Have I missed out on something? Have I packed too much? Let me know down in the comments. Also, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel a little bit more, you can always do that by checking out the links down below. You can either buy me a coffee or support the channel on Patreon if you'd like. Thank you for watching, and until next time, 7-3.